Keith Haring's work grew to popularity from his spontaneous drawings in New York City subways to really kind of just blew up, and his recognition was international. And he started creating large scale works, especially murals. And he had a very specific, again, visual style, and it addressed a lot of things that were going on in culture. But specifically for him, a lot of it had to deal with homosexuality and then eventually AIDS, which is what he died from. Now I got to tell you, I had the weird experience as in college meeting Keith Haring. Keith Haring, just before he died, did a mural at my school. I went to Art Center, a school called Art Center College of Design in Pasadena, California, and 89, 90, Keith Haring came out and did a mural on a wall across from the library at school. And we're all taking Super 8 classes at the time, and a handful of us had our Super 8 cameras, and we filmed him painting. And just as I was putting this talk together, I looked it up to see if anybody had posted footage of that day, and I found it on the Art Center website. Um, so uh, so you can watch this. This is some student. I don't even know who this person is, but it was only about like I think 50 of us there that day watching this happen in front of us. So here's actual Super 8 footage of Keith Haring painting at my school just before he died, like about a year before he died. There's no sound on this. It's all obviously just all Super 8, just pure images. But and it's long, so you don't have to watch it all. But just watch a little bit of this. Watch how just masterful and patient and beautiful his work is. Watching him work is.